Hello everyone, in this tutorial again we are going to discuss about the picture only. So earlier we have uh, updated one of the slide with the help of the picture, but now this slide is not also looking good. So what I am thinking, let us update one of the photograph which I have already downloaded from the pixabay.com, and we are going to select this tab manually. So pictures, under this tab we are going to select this device, and here I have downloaded one of the photographs. Let me click on that, and here you can see that photograph has been opened up. Now we are going to update few of the properties of this image so that you can learn it very well. Okay, now first of all let me increase this photograph till my whole slide. You can see that currently this bottom of the part is not fully captured. So what I am going to do, let me select the image and drill down till this end. Now our text is behind this photograph. So first of all we have to send this photograph to the backward side. So once you click on this, one picture format tab will be opened up. You have to select this picture format, and now here we are going to send backward. Again send backward, send backward. So you can see one by one the text is coming up. But now if you click on send to back, automatically everything whatever is there on the screen, it will be automatically bring to the front. Now we are just a little bit shift our images to the right hand side so that our text can be easily visible. Unwanted part we are going to crop. So for that purpose, as I taught you earlier, that you have to use the crop button, and here with the help of this small little line we will crop this part till our screen. Now you can see that our text is not visible, so we are going to update this photograph picture quality. So like we can either reduce the transparency. You can see now our text is automatically bringing up and our layout is looking very good. If you select this, then it is very low. But now what we are going to do, let me do Ctrl Z, again our original quality. You can also try the artistic effects, like if you want to change blur, if you select this, your image will be a little bit blurred. It seems that your text is nearby to you and the image is too far. So likewise, this is one of the artistic effect, or this is this little bit disappeared, like you have taken the photograph in the sea, distortion type. Then these whatever you like, you can directly try by yourself. Let me check one of the good photograph, otherwise we will directly jump original one. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Y to redo purpose. Okay, now let me again Ctrl Z. Now our image is like this, but still it is not looking good. If you want to change the color of the image, like black and white or different color tone, like this is little bit orange side, this is little bit bluish side, so you can do by this way. Also the few of the corrections you can do, like you just have to not, you don't have to select, but you once you hover your mouse to the particular, it will be automatically updated. So nothing is actually suitable for me. So what we are going to do, we are just going to decrease the transparency. Still our text is not clear. So what I am going to do, we are going to just left hand align, let us little bit upward side. Okay, and now we are going to little bit decrease this box so that wherever white part is there, our text will be visible. You can see now our slide is looking very good, and we have updated our earlier slide to new one, and this is the beauty of the PowerPoint presentation. So I hope this picture update quality you understand it very well. With bring forward or backward or align we have not used, but whenever we required we can use that part, and these are the different adjustment for the images. And if you want to apply one of the border, let us apply this border also, but this border width is too high, so let us decrease the width. So for that purpose you have to go to the picture border, under the width you have to select a little bit lower side, correct. Now for the picture effect, currently this picture effect will be backside of the outside of the our view, so it will not impact too much, so we will left over it. And if you want to change the color of the border, you can select by doing this way. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So in this next tutorial we can understand somewhat other things, and be with the course and happy learning.